Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The student, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So today's recipe is, can you guess? No? Okay, it doesn't matter. So, today's recipe is how to make cheese balls. It's going to be pretty simple, like always. So let's get going then. So for that, first you have to mash the boiled potatoes. You can mash it with the help of your hands also. Yeah, once it's well mashed, after that add grated cheese. I'm using Amul cheese. You can go for other cheeses. Oops. Stop there. Got all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, minced chili, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, minced coriander, and finally add little bit of salt because cheese are already salty. We don't want to make them more saltier. Once they are added together, mix well to combine. First you can go with the spatula. Now I'm going with my hands. Now it's ready. We're going to make cheese balls. Take this much at a time. Make a ball. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we have cheese cubes. I've already cut them into small cubes. Make the space for the cheese. And here goes the Mr. Cheese. And you're gonna just do it like this, slowly, then close it like this, and you're good to go like this. Make sure to seal the cheese well inside, just like I did. I have huge thumb, it's easy for me to make this space. Now our cheese balls are ready. We're going to make batter for them for coating purpose. We're gonna prepare batter. For that you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Season it with a little bit of salt. Now add water, little bit of water at a time. Mix it. As you can see here, we need more water. Either too thin nor too thick. Now we are going to coat our cheese balls with breadcrumbs. For that you will need batter as a glue and then breadcrumbs. Obviously, if you don't know how to make breadcrumbs, then I have video on it. I'll leave the link below in my description box. You can check it out later. Also make sure to keep one hand dry, one hand wet. Wet hand will go in the wet and dry hand will go in the dry. Okay? Don't mix them up. Dip it inside. Dip the cheese ball inside the batter and take it out. If you have got time, you can like keep in the freezer for 30 to even 1 hour before frying them. Okay, if you don't have time, it's not necessary to keep there. You can directly fry just like me. Now heat the oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is well heated, turn down the heat to medium-low. Reason is that if you fry on high heat, the high heat will just cook outer part faster and inside part will still remain uncooked. So just to avoid those things, we are going to always like fry on medium-low heat. Okay. Don't touch directly at first because its skin is very fragile, so it might lose its shape. So give a break. You can touch after 30 to 60 seconds. Fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy from outside. Wow, look at them. They're so crispy, golden brown. Whoa, look at them. They are already looking so satisfying. So guys, don't forget to like the video, share, and yeah, always subscribe. Thank you. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.